Test. 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 Gain mid.
Gain high, gain low,
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 Gain mid.
gain high. Oh, I think that's so much better. This is CSE116. I think that's so much better. This is CSE116. Yeah, buddy. All right. Yeah, buddy. All right. Oh, fuck. There are 3 of you watching the test stream. Hey, if you're out there, y'all can chat. It's fine. There's not much exciting going on right now, though. I think we got the mic working pretty good, though. The gain was way high on OBS. 3 of you watching the test stream. Hey, if you're out. I don't need to listen to it. There's gain on the mic and gain on OBS. I think I got them both where I want them. Java. Oh, I forgot I didn't set up the camera yet. Video capture. Looks good. Anyone watching will get a rare view of my actual environment instead of a green screen. And my hair not dead. Looks good. Anyone watching will get... I think everyone left, though. Left when I called them out. It's a shame. Is it not this? Oh, because I reinstalled. Okay, it's not installed. Oh, fuck off. Would I ever reinstall Windows? Good God, how many questions are there? I want the defaults. Yo, tomato. There is somebody out there. What's going on? Yo, Sarah, what's up? And I forget how to do this. I think it'd be easy to just change your... what'd I do? Why did that move? Why did this happen? It's one of the only things I use Windows for, and it frustrates me every time. Why did that happen? Everything resized is really weird. Oh, Adam, thanks for the kind words. Thank you. I'm just trying to switch the primary displays, so my taskbar is actually on both of them right now. I want the taskbar only on my second monitor. And I don't remember how to do that. I think I stumbled my way into that setting one time and never figured out how to do it again. Lock taskbar? Off? Ah. Oh, here we go. Oh, but it doesn't let me choose which one. Why? And why did it resize all my windows when I checked that again? We're getting closer though. Okay, resize everything back. Disable taskbar on all monitors. Okay, got that. And chat's I want to play with the settings this semester. Actually, I wonder if I can do it midstream. Because I put it in normal mode. I want to try out low latency mode. So the chat's more live. If unsaved changes, save changes, no. It only sets the main display. So how do I switch which display is my main display? In other settings. Is it back in my display settings? Duplicate or extend the connected display. Rearrange multiple displays. Like I can move them around, but I guess I could. No, that's just like physically how they're laid out. Automatically hide in desktop. Okay, that was in the other settings. So I can... But that'll in desktop mode. I'm not going to be in tablet mode. So that'll hide it. It's not exactly what I want, but that might work for me. Yeah, that might work. That might work fine. I'm gonna give this one more try though. Huh. Do I believe that? So I move it over here. Well, let me put it here so y'all can see. Display settings. Then click on the display you want to set as primary and check the box that says make main display. There's no button for that. Do the options change if I'm looking at this on a different display? Advanced display settings. I just feel like this would be $116. Oh, $116. I feel like this would be like an option that would be just, there would be a button for it. Like right clicking this, I would expect it to say, do you want this to be? Then drag to rearrange it. Yeah, I know to. That's not what I want to do though. Well, that's definitely not what I wanted. Yeah, I remember getting lost trying to find this setting before too. So it should just be easy. Click on the window you want to be the main display, and it should have an option to display the settings. It's at the bottom right there. Personalize. Like I'm on the desktop of my other display, I right click, there's display settings, and that just opens the settings where I'm already at. It just opens this window. Well, I found the break everything button. What's up, Rare Chip? It's at the bottom right there. Okay. And I gotta figure out what was happening when you said that. Graphic settings. Detect. Identify just puts the numbers. I know which is which though. Setting up dual monitors easily. And it takes me to Microsoft Edge. No thanks. I don't want to go through your crappy tutorial. Wouldn't that be nice if that button was there? That would be nice. I don't have that button. I also have Windows 10, not 11, so maybe that's part of it. Like when I click this, I would expect that button to show up. Ah, there it is. Oh, we did it, gang. We did it. High fives all around. Woo. We got there. Taskbar settings. Don't automatically hide. Okay, now the taskbar is only on my other monitor. Which I think is what I want, right? Yeah. I do have to look over there to switch to IntelliJ, but that's fine. Alright, hey. Bottom of the settings right above the blue box. So let's just to recap. Just to make sure, like, because that button's not always there. Like, just to make sure I'm not going crazy here. Like, that was hard to find. Display settings. You scroll down. Oh, it is, to be fair, it is always there. But it's grayed out. You go up to the top, click the monitor you want, scroll to the bottom, and then you can switch it to your main display. But if I have the main display already selected, it's grayed out, and there's nothing I can do. So then I'm trying to take this window and move it over to the other display and say, look, you're on the display. Make this one my main display. You gotta go up to something that seems like it's completely disconnected, because most of these other settings, well, they're not changing, but it's, to be fair, I have this two of the same exact monitor, and I have the same exact settings for all of them. So maybe all the settings do change per monitor when I click on them. Well, let's try it with Nightlight. No, that did it to both of them. So these settings seemingly are applying to both monitors, and then the setting that only applies to the monitor you have selected is way down at the bottom, completely disconnected from. The UI could be a little better there. Who was that in the background? I didn't see who went by. It might have been my daughter, though. Yeah, once it's showtime tomorrow, I'll have the green screen up. I got everything ready for it, but I just ain't set it up yet. I want to do all the technical stuff first. Oh, here it is. It's in the background, actually. I can test my chroma key. Actually, oh, shit, I don't have that set up. Face cam, properties. Yeah, let's set up chroma key also. I don't remember how to do this. Oh, no, I'm in the wrong menu. Filters. Add filter. I should play. Oh, first of all, what's up, Joey? Shit, it's been a while. I should, so I reinstalled Windows. I was trying to get something working, and I got to the point where I'm like, I'm just gonna completely wipe my device and reinstall Windows, because I thought that'd be the answer. It still wasn't. Didn't solve the problem. But I don't have anything installed now. But maybe, you know what? Is it the craziest idea to play that tonight? I still owe it to everyone to finish that game. I never finished it. I said I would. First, I gotta get my chroma key set up, just to make sure everything's ready for tomorrow. It's gotta be a filter. Oh, because I was in audio video filters, not. Okay. Then I remember the settings for this. It's easy enough to remember. And look, it worked perfect. Look at the green in the background's gone, but I'm still here perfect. The settings, the first two numbers need to be 420 and 69, and it just happens to be the perfect numbers. Works really good. I tried so many different settings, and those are just the ones. So I'll never forget them. All right, displays set up, chroma key set up, camera set up. I think this is everything I need. I go to slides. Oh, let me make sure slides are going to work. Make sure I have a good way of displaying them. I have them all saved already. And then I open these in... Oh, I downloaded some special thing that I have to reinstall. PDF viewer Windows. 3. There's one that worked really well. False bites. You have filler. Yeah, let's just. I don't want to use Adobe. Let's just try good old-fashioned PDF reader. Hey, Avi, what's up? You're job hunting again? Oh, Joey, no. There's a lot of that going around right now, though, unfortunately. A lot of people are finding their love of grad school all of a sudden because they're not finding jobs. Sucks to see. It's something kind of unimaginable in this industry not too long ago. Where did this install to? Oh, here it is. But reality's settling in right now. Oh, sweet. I am proud of you, Audrey. I know you want me to say that. I'm proud of you. That is a REST API with JWTs, Postgres for storage, and you got some Golang experience. Golang gives me nightmares sometimes. It's not a bad language, but it's a very opinionated language, and some of the opinions I struggled to get over. Having capital variables that start with capital letters forced by the language is just something that goes against 20 years of habit. You're going to be streaming over the summer? Yeah. So I'm teaching a summer class. So Tuesday, Thursday this week, and for 6 weeks until July 3rd. July 1st, I guess, because July 3rd is the final exam. I'll be streaming. So tomorrow morning, 8 a.m. I'll be starting the first lecture. It's unique language. It's a really good language. It's for its intent of being the. I'm not paying attention to what I'm installing here. For its intent to be the C killer, I think it's got a better chance than anything else out there. And if I had to do low level programming like that, I'd have to. I can't do two things at once. My brain's too old for this. No, we don't want that. And close. Open with PDF reader. I just want a very simple PDF reader. All it needs is full screen. Don't show this again. Not now. Set up auto saving preference. Always overwrite the original, I suppose. No, I don't want to try anything. You're already bugging me more than I need to be bugged. Control F. Nope, it didn't do full screen. It did find. Where's my bar? I need a full screen button handy, or else I'm moving on to the next one. I'll try slideshow, but probably not. Not the worst, but there's a menu at the top. Why would I want the menu? Golang is better than Python. I mean, well, that's debatable, but those languages have very different purposes as well. There are reasons. There are applications where Python's the right choice. There are applications where Golang's the right choice. There's some overlap there where it comes down to preference, but Golang is when you need access to the lower level stuff, and Python's when you don't mind hanging out with the higher level abstractions. So if you're doing like embedded programming, you better use Golang. If you're writing drivers or some shit like that, you better use Golang. If you're writing an operating system, Golang, or probably C. Golang hasn't really taken over C yet. It's unclear if it will, but if you're writing the higher level stuff, you can use the niceties of Python. yeah, I don't think so. My advice for a master's degree is always uh, a master's degree is kind of worthless unless you need a little bit more time to figure things out. Like if you don't have a job lined up. And I used to say that as more of a joke. These days, it's a little more serious. Like, oh shit, a lot of students actually can't find jobs now. Maybe hang out in master's degree, and hopefully in 2 years the market's going to be a little better. So it's a little more bleak advice now. It used to be a joke because everybody just got handed job opportunities as soon as they graduated. I'm like, well, if you just want to hang out in college and fuck around for 2 more years, get a master's degree, whatever. But also, my opinion probably needs to change. Now that everybody's getting a master's degree, employers are going to start catching on to that. Just like when everybody started getting bachelor's degrees, employers realized, well, there's so many candidates with bachelor's degrees, we're just going to put bachelor's degree required on our jobs, on all our positions. So now you have to go to college. There's just no option anymore because so many people started going to college. Now so many people are going into a master's degree, at least in computer science, that it might start becoming the thing where, well, there's so many applicants have master's degrees, we'll just put master's degree required, and then we have to filter through fewer applications. So it's things are changing. 331 over the summer is tough. It goes fast. It's been a year and a half since someone's got an A. That's sad. I got an A, not to brag, but wish me luck watching Autry's lectures earlier. Yeah, good. I should have some recorded. Oh, you know what? I don't think I recorded my lectures back then. And when I taught 331 in a couple of summer classes. I think those were all live in the classroom, though. Oh, yeah. When your resume has IT experience after college, yeah, it's going to be a tough sell, unfortunately. Which you obviously found out. I don't even know what my best advice would be for that. Probably would actually be a master's degree in that situation. Do I just try Adobe? Let me try Adobe. Just I just I don't even know why, but I have bad memories with this. I don't even know what the memories were. I just remember I don't like it. Don't call it IT, call it DevOps. Well, I assume he means actual IT. I'm pretty sure. I think I remember that when Joey graduated that he went into like actual IT. Or you mean on the resume? Yeah, on your resume. Depends what the IT work was. Like you can't lie, but you can stretch the truth to an extent. But but yeah, it depends on what kind of IT work it was. I mean, if you were helping people set up their printers, there's not much you can do to stretch that. But if you were actually doing DevOps and maintaining deployments and stuff, then it's a much easier sell because you were actually doing technical stuff or not. I used the wrong word there. More software engineering stuff, at least software engineering adjacent. Start the homeworks 2 days early and don't bomb the exam. I would start the homeworks earlier than that. Um, but yeah, that's solid advice. 2 days early. Well, especially in the summer, it's got to be. I guess 2 days early in the summer is really early, but but I'd work on those homeworks a bit earlier. I mean, I don't remember way back then. Well, I want to say I gave myself at least a week. But I also really enjoyed the material, as crazy as that sounds. So when a homework was released, I was kind of eager to get into it. So I would do it and just get it done beforehand. But the question 3, the hard questions, I think they're organized a little different these days. But whatever the hard question is these days, that could sometimes take a couple of days in itself if you're really going for that A. Sometimes I'd read them and have to just sit there and think about it for a day, sleep on it for a night, and then the epiphany hits, and I figure out the crux of the proof, and then write the proof up. So the hard one alone can take a little bit of time. I don't think the companies are really doing background checks quite like that. I don't think I've ever done a background check that would find out that your title was different. I don't know if I wouldn't worry so much about that. I mean, don't lie about your title, but you can. I don't know. It's a gray area potentially, but there are just certain ways you can word things. Like you can still put. I mean, it depends what your title even is. Like, do you even have an official title? Is your official title IT guy? Like, you probably have a cooler sounding title than just IT guy, right? Technical support technician. I don't even know. But there are little things you can do on your resume. And especially if you've been working on side projects in the meantime, make sure you get those projects in there too. That goes a long way. Just showing that you're staying sharp with your programming skills. Oh, tomatoes ahead of me, or I'm behind, rather. It's more debt, though, that's for sure. Tech support specialist, which people know what that means, but your specific tasks that you've done and your bullet points for that job, and you can try to zhuzh it up a bit. Easy, hard programming. So question 2 might take a while. Yeah. Don't start the night before. Definitely. I would just say 2 days, probably a little more than that. If you're really going for it. Don't do like most students do for most homework assignments. Oh, that was unintuitive too. I thought I was waiting for a third progress bar. There's a finish button. How do you want to open PDF files? I guess Adobe Acrobat. We'll give it a try. I think Adobe wanted to go into slideshows immediately, which is the last thing that. Oh yeah, and there's like 100,000 buttons. All I want to do is view PDFs. And they want me to pay money eventually. Yeah, I remember immediately why I don't like Acrobat. All I want to do is view PDFs in full screen. In slideshow, they like automatically advance the slides. I can't have that. Like, where are all my... You gave me 1,000 buttons and not the one I want. Like, am I crazy? There's no view. It should be, like, home, which I guess went up here. Edit and view. I go in here. Suppose I could do read aloud. Wait, where did I just see that? Oh, yeah, read out loud and just have it read my lectures. I don't have to do anything. Q3, Q1, Q2. Yeah, I think that makes sense. Your personal projects aren't good resume filler? I mean, first of all, they probably are. You might be selling yourself a little short, but second of all, I mean, if you think that, work on more interesting personal projects. I don't know. Like, you can always change that. It's something you can change tonight. You just start working on a new project. Like a 312 project. Well, there's a button I can't change it during a stream, but there's an option for I can just tell YouTube to lower the latency. But it takes more bandwidth. There's something it does that can mess up the stream. So I'm always hesitant to try it. But maybe I'll try it this summer. Of course, I'm always behind chat anyway, so it doesn't matter that much. It's only helpful for me when chat's half dead and I only get like 3 messages during a whole lecture. WinUtil, which does a lot of regex config stuff painlessly. For a tool for Windows stuff. WinUtil? Like, wait, what would I use it for? Yeah, maybe I can't wrap my head around it right now, but I'll. Yeah, if this is something that can make it easier to mess around with Windows, I want it. PDF viewer Windows. I really wish I didn't wipe my device clean because it's kind of a pain losing all my stuff. But I feel like if I see the reader, the name of the reader, that it would pop out to me. Oops. Oh my gosh, what's happening here? Roblox. Oh, it came up on me. Roblox was the thing. I was trying to get Roblox working for my daughter. And it just will not work. I think the answer is just to get a new machine or install Windows 10, Windows 11 or something. But I could not get Roblox to work at all. Here, I'll give a quick demo. Of course, my taskbar is over on the other screen right now. But Roblox. I open it. It does this. And then that disappears. And there's no message, no nothing. Obviously, the game doesn't load. Just nothing happens at all. Like, there's nothing to even debug. It just doesn't start. And it doesn't tell me why it didn't start. And I tried everything. Everything I could think of, including a fresh install, brand new, just like the device was completely new. So I'm wondering if it doesn't like my hardware, which is getting kind of old now. Or it doesn't like Windows 10 and it wants Windows 11. When can we get a house tour? I don't plan on doing that. I mean, it's just a regular house. There's nothing exciting. Can you try using WinGet? Wait, are y'all talking about how to read, how to view PDFs? Because if these are PDF suggestions, I want. WinGet doesn't sound like a PDF viewer though. Oh. A package manager that's painful to use. I'm having enough pain using things right now. I don't need more pain. Raid Shadow Legends. Yeah, if Raid Shadow Legends reaches out, they have to be paying a lot because there's so many YouTubers that I feel like have a good amount of integrity who will be running those ads. PDF Reader Pro. PDF. None of these look familiar. Is the one that I got. The one that I used to use. Oh, you know what I can do? Oh, who's ready for the big brain play? Oh, I can solve this problem. We're gonna go to one of my old streams, and we're gonna look at what PDF viewer I use. That's I forgot I had the countdown too. I'll have to start doing that again. Let's mute this because that'd be weird. Website. Slides. Ocular. See you, Septicake. Oh, wait, see you, Sarah. Rewrite Roblox and Rust. Launch Roblox in Docker. Does Roblox have a Docker release? If it does, that would be an answer. Yeah, I know. That's what pisses me off. Is it's Roblox. Like, it's the chonky graphics and everything. Like, it should take no power. Like, I should be able to run it on my phone. I take that back. I can run it on my damn phone. I shouldn't need to upgrade my PC for this. Oh, I was so mad. Because I was like, because she wanted to make videos. I'm like, oh yeah, I got OBS set up and everything. Yeah, that's what I do with this PC is I make videos and stream and stuff. She's like, oh yeah, I want to do Roblox. I'll make Roblox videos and upload them to YouTube. I'm like, cool, we can do that. It'll be like 2 seconds. I'll set you up. I'll get you all ready. I got everything else all set up. And nope. Half a day later, I still didn't have Roblox fucking running. Oh, I was so bad. Oh, I forgot this desk hurts my shoulder. Just gotta figure out all these little things again. That's why we do a test stream. Gonna happen eventually. Let's at least get it installed. I don't think I'm playing it all tonight. It's already 11 and I got lecture at 8 a.m. I still gotta put up this green screen. But let's at least get some things ready. See if I remember my anything. I don't know if I remember my username or password. Oh my fucking god. Try again. How many students in the summer? 55. And it's across 2 different sections. I have an 8 to 10:30 and then an 11 to 1:30. So it's split into 2 different lectures. I got an error code that's more than Roblox gives me. So, can't be that mad. And they say they're aware of the issue. I mean, it's a fairly small app. They might actually see my errors and try to fix it, but I need this tomorrow. That's like, I mean, Ocular ran on this PC. Why is this? There was showing a get button. How many lectures a week? 2. It's Tuesday, Thursday. I can't believe that. I actually found the reader. I found it. Like, the search was over. It's the recommended, implying there's another place. We also offer untested nightly builds. Give it to me, baby. I want an untested nightly build with an exe installer. This is the way. Maybe window update. I went through so many Windows updates. So that's why I ended up reinstalling Windows, because it was, I would update Windows and then I'd restart and it'd say, there's a Windows update available. And I'd update Windows and it'd say, there's a Windows update available. And I've been in that loop before. Like, it's nothing new. Windows likes to update. Like, I didn't touch the computer since last summer, and this was like a few months ago. So I'm like, yeah, there's probably just 100 updates. And I noticed that the updates were the same update over and over. It just wasn't taking the update. So I reinstalled Windows and then updated everything, and then it still didn't work. But Windows is up to date. I can assure you that, unless they came out with an nope, I'm not up to date. Unless they came out with a new one. Your device is missing important security updates. Maybe you know what? I think I might have got stuck in the same loop again. This 22H2, that's the one. This one kept trying to install. So even a clean install of Windows, like there must be something with my hardware then. No, I don't want to restart right now. I don't want to restart tonight either. I just don't want you to restart without telling me. Okay, but I think we got Ocular. That's the last piece of the puzzle to get lectures going. At least I think I have Ocular. Wait, I'm not logged in to Steam on my phone, though. Why would I need Steam on my phone? I think I'm signed in on this laptop. Where the hell do I have Steam? Could also be a Bitcoin miner. You never know. I mean, I thought the clean install would get rid of all that stuff, though. I mean, it got rid of all my programs. It should get rid of the Bitcoin miner too, because it's possible that's what happened. But unless they can they get a Bitcoin miner like into your BIOS? Is that even a thing? I suppose it's possible. Because I just use exe installers. Yeah, the exe installer can be anything. I don't know. I trust Ocular. Maybe I shouldn't. You have a good argument there. I still haven't seen Ocular load. Oh, there we go. Oh, look how beautiful it is. Okay. And then we open with, choose another program, more apps. Look for another app on this PC. Ocular. The uninstall app. Ocular. Okay. That's one step. Now open with properties. Change Ocular. Okay, now they all open with Ocular by default. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. View mode, full screen mode. the sidebar. Presentation. There are 2 ways of exiting a presentation. You can escape or alt-tab. I gotta make sure presentation doesn't auto-advance slides, and then we are golden. I think that's long enough to wait. I don't think it's auto-advancing. That's why I used this program last time. Click should advance a slide. Shows me how far I am through the presentation. Arrows, advance slide, down arrow. Up goes backwards, left goes backwards, right goes forward, down goes forward, click goes forward. Right click goes backwards. All the controls I could ever imagine, and not a whole bunch of crap that I'm never going to use. A+ program. Whoo, baby. All right. We did it. I trust everyone. That's also my rule of cybersecurity. Well, my PC's already fucked. Like, how much worse could it get? Like, come on. I'll be fine. Side with and with account name. I don't know my password for this. Okay. What do we do in that case? So look for Steam. Oh, why am I looking where I can search Steam? That is sort of the exact credentials I typed in. I actually had that all right. Did I just mistype something? Now I'm mad. I got this right. I got that completely right. Yeah, completely right. I must have just fat fingered something. At least keystrokes don't do like tones, like dialing on a phone. Hopefully y'all can't listen to the tones and break into my Steam account. Unlock achievements for me. I don't want to cheat. Alright, I'm not playing today. I just want to make sure that something will work. And this is where and spread from your PC to your network. That could be. I wonder if I have malware on my network that's spreading to my PC. I do have 2 Windows machines in the house, and they both run kind of crappy at times. And I just blame Windows because that's the common thread. No, my saves. If you play now, you may not have previous games in progress, and you may permanently lose it. Wait. How do you... Cloud status up to date. Did I literally just have to hit the button again? And do we have game audio? Looks like we do. Do I have game audio? Do I have the option game audio? Once the stream catches up, I'll check if I have game audio. See you, tomato. Yeah, we do have game audio. Sweet. Took over 2 years of me getting a job and then losing it, but you're finally completing Pop Is You. I didn't say I'm completing it. I don't even think I'm playing it today, but oh, looked at the stream at the wrong time. Okay, everything's working over there. But someday, I'll beat this damn game. It's hard. Look, I've played 56 hours, I still ain't beaten this game. It's hard. And it's gonna take me a while. I probably should start a new save file and start from the beginning so I remember how to play this thing. Cause it's no joke. Like the starter levels ain't too bad. Which, let's see if I can even navigate around. I think I got myself stuck somewhere. Like, even the world map gets hard to navigate. If you've never played this game, you're gonna think I'm just terrible at video games. That I can't even navigate a world map, but like, I can't even navigate this world map. It's so hard. Which makes it fun. I enjoy that the challenge, the ceiling just keeps going up on the challenge of it. Before or after I fix Roblox? I don't know if I'll ever be able to fix Roblox. I think I need a new machine. Oh. I can just hit a button to enter a level. I just, Oh, can I just exit to the map? Well, I wish I knew that. I can just return to the map. I was always trying to figure out my way out of the map. So this is the original world map. But then you go to like the secret world map. Oh. That's not it. Oh, because my cursor's down there. Yeah, I forgot how this even worked there. But I think level 8... How did this work? I can't push level. Oh, I'm gonna get sucked in. I gotta stop before I start playing. And then I killed Baba. Oh no. Alright. But I'm not playing this game today. Someday I'll finish it. Someday. Oh, you know what? I do want to play around with a little more stream stuff. This will be the last thing I do. Window capture. Cloud status up to date. Just to really make sure I know what I'm doing. So I can full screen the game. Hey, I'm a streamer again. Alright, I'm done with this test stream. Everything's set up. I gotta put up this green screen and then think about getting some sleep. Alright, night everyone. Thanks for joining this setup stream. Woo. It was more fun. I didn't expect anyone to be here, so it was more fun than I expected. Alright, night everyone.